In this video, we'll be sharing some tips on preparing your home for sale quickly and stress-free. With good preparation and a little bit of luck, these simple cost-effective methods could potentially help you sell your home within weeks. Understandably, it may seem daunting to showcase your home to strangers and wonder if they'll buy. It's normal to feel overwhelmed and unsure of where to begin. With a solid plan in place, the task becomes much easier to accomplish. So, let's get started. There are a few main points to remember. Presentation. Declutter. Clean and make everything shine. Remove bad odors. Quick home improvements. Staging. Street appeal. Quality photography. When preparing any house for sale, always remember, presentation is key. The first step to consider is decluttering. You don't want to distract potential buyers with unnecessary clutter. This includes removing personal items and excess furniture, homewares, and appliances. You want buyers to imagine themselves living in your property. The aim is to create as much light and space as possible. A thorough, deep clean is well worth the investment. To sell quickly, your house needs to shine and look and smell fresh and clean. This can potentially add thousands of dollars to your final selling price. It's important to remember that the buyer's final decision on purchasing a home is based on a range of factors. They'll use all their senses when deciding if a home is right for them, and smell is often overlooked. While a fresh, clean, soft fragrance can be inviting, the smell of pet odors or cigarette smoke can be a deterrent. Greasy ovens, cooktops, and stained walls are an instant turnoff. Mirrors should be spotless, and dirty marks on light switches and doorknobs should be cleaned. You may be too time-poor for repairs and maintenance if you want to sell your house in a flash. However, the two cheapest and quickest ways to add instant value to your property are a clean and tidy yard and a quick coat of paint. A fresh coat of paint on walls is a perfect way to freshen the appearance of your home and boost your sale price. Choosing a light neutral color will create an atmosphere of freshness, light, and space. Spruce up your gardens. Clean cobwebs, dust, and dirt from the entrance, porch, and windows. Ensure your grass isn't overgrown, and your trees and shrubs are trimmed. Clean up flower beds by laying down fresh mulch. Also consider making your property more inviting by adding some potted plants around the entrance of your home. Now we'll be discussing the benefits of home staging. Staging is a process designed to showcase a home's best assets, impress buyers, and ultimately sell the property quickly for the highest possible price. Once you've completed a thorough clean, professional staging can be well worth the investment. Placing furniture and decor in specific areas can make the interior appear more luxurious and inviting, which lifts the perceived value of the home. Utilizing space and color can create harmony and effortlessly connect each room. Yet it will define each space in the house to make it clear to potential buyers how each area can be used. And when it comes to linen and towels, white is the way to go for a fresh, clean look. But why go to all this effort? Because well-staged properties look better in photographs, and most buyers initially research properties online before they buy. Recent studies have shown that well-staged homes sell faster and for higher amounts than unstaged ones. Great photos create initial interest from potential buyers. With so many properties on the market at any given time, you want yours to stand out. According to recent studies, properties using professional photographers for their listings sell for well over market value and 50% faster than those with standard photos. Furthermore, 98% of homebuyers make the decision to view a property based on the listing photos they see online. Professional photography is affordable and adds to the quality of the presentation of your home. Street appeal is crucial to selling your property quickly and for a great price. Before buyers even step inside on open day, the first impression they will get is the exterior of your home. An unappealing exterior can mean the difference between potential buyers choosing to enter your property for a viewing or deciding to give it a miss altogether and alternately looking at other properties. In conclusion, preparing your home for sale can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By taking the time to declutter, clean, and make small repairs or upgrades, you can create a space that is both attractive to potential buyers and reflects the value of your property. Remember to pay special attention to curb appeal and staging, as they can make a big difference in the overall presentation of your home. We hope these quick tips have been helpful in guiding you through the process of preparing your property for sale. If you found these tips helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for other useful real estate and property tips and tricks. Good luck and happy selling!